What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a video purely based on the battery that comes in the Canon M50. So I got the Canon M50 and I'm exploring all the features and things about the camera, what accessories you can get, what's the best ones to get, and the best way to use them. And over the course of the next few videos, I'm going to be showing you guys everything and anything there is pretty much to know about the Canon M50. So if you would like to see more videos about the Canon M50, maybe you personally use it, maybe you personally are interested in buying the camera and you want to see some things about it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out the future videos coming soon. So first of all, I have the battery itself, which is, I went for the Duracell brand battery. And let me just start by saying, first of all, the battery itself is not the same capacity as the original Canon battery. The battery that comes with the Canon M50 is actually slightly higher than this Duracell battery which I've purchased. The Canon battery has a capacity of 875 compared to the Duracell battery which has a capacity of 750. So first of all, I'm just going to let you guys know it's absolutely brilliant. That's the first thing. First thoughts, first impressions. I've been using for a month. It's absolutely brilliant. It's giving me, if not the same amount of power as the Canon battery does, just slightly less. And you guys might know I'm vlogging, so I'm not just taking photographs, I'm out vlogging. The camera's on the majority of the time, you know, taking quick shots here and there when you find something, and then you're talking to the camera and playing with the settings, maybe some 4K here and there. I'm able to get away with a good 4 to 5 hours of battery with just these two. So the Duracell and the one that came with the Canon battery. Now if I were to go just on the Canon battery, I'm looking at maybe about 2 hours of usage, and that's pushing it. So if you're 4K, forget about it. 1080p, yeah, you can get away with that, that'll be good. These two make a winning combo, so I would definitely recommend this battery. I picked up the Duracell battery for a fairly cheap price compared to the Canon battery, which OEM price is about 40 to 50 pounds, and I'm not sure how much that is in dollars or euros, but the Duracell battery on the other hand, I picked this up for almost 20 pounds. So that is half the price of the Canon battery. Considering its capacity is only 125 less than the original Canon battery, I think that's a really good price. That's really good price. They do their own chargers as well actually, and I'm actually going to pick one up, so keep an eye out for the future videos, and I'll let you guys know how that turns out, because that's a USB charger as opposed to the one that comes with this camera, which is the Canon M50 which I'm filming on. That's only purely a mains charger, and I have my issues with that. I need some form of a USB charger for these batteries, especially if one of these batteries does go dead and I'm out and I only have 2 batteries. I need something to charge that up, so I take a power bank with me, preferably my Anker power bank, which you haven't seen. Again, I'll be doing plenty of these videos, so there's plenty more to come guys, so check out the future videos coming. Also, I've got plenty of playlists and lots of tech videos, so if you want to check out any of the other gear I use, there's videos about everything on my channel, so do go check those out. So if you're interested, the model of this Duracell battery is DRCE12, and that's a like for like perfect compatibility with the Canon M50. The reason, to be honest, I got the Duracell battery as opposed to anything else, I would rather go for a brand name that I trust, and Duracell's been around for longer than I have. So it's definitely something I know that I can make use of and I can trust, and it will be reliable for what I need it to be. Anyway guys, if you are looking to check out a battery for the Canon M50, this is the way to go. If you want to buy the OEM retail batteries, do go check them out. I'll leave the links to all these batteries down below so you guys can have a look, including the Canon one that is a like-for-like replacement for the one that comes with the camera, and the Duracell one if you guys want to check that out too. Can't praise this battery enough. It does the job. It's been super reliable. I haven't gone with a dead camera yet, and I've been using these two combined, vlogging, b-roll, photographs, a month now, let's say. So hope you guys like this video. Check out the others. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want to see more content, leave me a comment down below. If you want to see any other gear for the Canon M50, leave me a comment down below. Love to hear what you guys think. And if you do end up buying one of these batteries, let me know, how did it work out for you? Let me know the pros and cons that you guys think. The only con I can see for this particular battery is it's slightly less capacity than the original Canon one. Aside from that, it's done a brilliant job, so I can't mock this battery in any way right now. Thanks for watching, thanks for getting here, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.